Now, let's look at product rule under differentiation calculus. Now, we want to differentiate, we're given that y is equal to x squared sine x. We want to find y dx. That means we want to differentiate it, right? We want to find the derivative of x squared sine x. Now, we know that this is a product, all right, because it takes the multiplication of what x squared multiplied by sine what x to give you x squared sine x. So they are products, right? They are products of themselves. So now, what's the formula for product rule? Now, the formula for product rule is that the dy dx is equal to v du dx plus u dv dx. Now, you ask me, how do I know when to use this formula? Of course, you know when you have your function in the form y is equal to uv, all right? Y is equal to uv. That means there's a product of two different functions or two different things, all right? Uv, all right? So if you see, this is in the form y is equal to uv. So the formula for product rule, of course, dy dx is equal to what? V du dx plus u dv dx. Now I'm going to explain how we're going to get this. Or some people also use what? Dy dx is equal to u dv dx plus what? V plus v du dx, all right? Plus v du dx. Some people also use this, all right? Now, something you have to know is that what is that these are products. So what am I going to say? I'm going to say let what? I'm going to say let u be equal to one thing and then v be equal to something. So this is y is equal to x squared sine x. Now this is going to be our u and this is going to be our v because they are products, all right? So our u is equal to x squared and then our v is equal to sine x, all right? Now, so we're going to differentiate this side and differentiate this side, all right? Because don't forget, we want to work with this formula, all right? V du dx plus u dv dx. This is the formula we want to work with, all right? So this is the formula we want to work with, right? So we're trying to get all we need and put in, so we can put into this formula and get our answer. So we're going to differentiate this. So differentiating this is going to be du dx because we're going to be differentiating u with respect to x. If we differentiate x squared, it becomes 2 times this becomes what? 2x. Then subtract 1 from 2, you have 1. Of course, the 1 here will be invisible. So if you differentiate x squared, you have 2x. All right. If you don't understand this, make sure you watch our introductory video on differentiation, all right? Now, let's differentiate this. This will be dv dx because we are differentiating v with respect to x, with respect to the function x. Now, if you differentiate sin x, of course, you get what? Cos x, all right? Now, finally, our dy what? Dx is going to be equal to, following this formula, it says what? V du dx. That means use v to multiply du dx. Now, what is our v? Now, first of all, sorry, we said our u is equal to x squared and our v is equal to what? Sine x, because we took that from here, all right? So dy dx is going to be equal to what? V du dx, that's v, that's sine x, multiplied by du dx. Du dx is what? 2x, all right? Plus u dv dx. What is u? U is what? X squared multiplied by, what is our v? Our v is what? Our dv dx, this is u, is equal to x squared. Our dv dx is what? Cos x, all right? So finally, our answer is going to be what? Our dy dx is going to be what? Sin x times 2x gives us 2x sine x plus x squared times cos x gives us x squared cos x, all right? So this is going to be our what? Our answer, all right? Our answer is 2x sine x plus x squared cos x, or now you have your dy dx what to be equal to what? 2x what? 2x sine x plus x squared cos x, right? So you can also factorize this to be what? The y dx. If you check, you see that x is common, all right? X is common, so it becomes x into bracket what? 2 sine x plus what? Plus what? X cos x, all right? Because x is common. So you can also write your answer as this. Now, make sure you watch more videos on this because I'll be uploading more videos on this.